So what have we done here by connecting the two, and now we get this dialog box? Well, first you have to understand what variables are. In math, they might hold a number. In programming, it can hold a number as well, but it can hold a lot more than that, a lot more information. In fact, variables can even hold other variables. But in this case, the variable here is actually our name. It's that label. It's the text box. Why? Because we can change what's inside the text box. And the only way we do that is by making this label a variable all on its own. And this is what we're doing right now. We are linking it to the code by creating a variable, and that variable is the text box. Now right now this variable does not have a name. In math, a variable might be called x. X is equal to this. It might be called y. Y is equal to that. In this case, we have yet to give it a name. Usually you want these names to be self-explanatory and reasonable so that you can make sense of it in the future. At the moment, I'm thinking of what this text is going to do for me. Basically, I only want my name to appear in it, so I'm going to name it accordingly. I'm going to type in name label. Do not hit connect, and in fact, you may not be able to. And here's why. Variables in any programming language generally do not have spaces. Okay? So let's get rid of that first. Again, this applies towards any variable or even a constant in any programming language. No spaces at all. Second, if your variable name, like in our case, comprises of more than one word, the first word is always lowercase and the second is uppercase. So let's go ahead and fix that. Label should be uppercase. I'm going to add a capital L. Now we have a proper variable name. This is a common naming convention that you should always follow when naming variables. Now you can click on connect.